Chris with Alpine Electronics, 2019 CES. Just want to show you guys the Hilux W650. This is our entry CarPlay and Android Auto unit. Super simple system, affordable pre-outs. It has super simple UI, so we can actually control the UI with just a couple touches on the screen. We can skip, we can go up and down. The great thing about this piece is actually it's only $299 at retail value, so really great price. We have a much more shallow chassis as we had in the past, which actually allows us to mount our brand new power pack to the back of that. Pretty sweet. So basically with these two pieces together, which is smaller than a normal chassis depth of a double din, we have the most powerful double din radio on the market. So this is total about 400 watts DPP. This is a 50 watt by 4 RMS, and then it does about 100 watt DPP. So really great technology here. So last year we came out with Halo 9, or Hilux F309, and made big waves in industry. And this year we wanted to bring another piece in to kind of go with that. So this is the Hilux F259. This is our entry Halo 9 piece. A brand new UI, so you're actually able to go in and customize each of these three dashboards here. You go ahead and press and hold anywhere on the screen. You have up to 22 widgets that you can actually go ahead and put there. Pretty simple to use. You can actually change your backgrounds as well. So if I go to the photos, set a wallpaper, and pick my picture here on a thumb drive, we can crop that, set it as our wallpaper. So really cool, fun piece. Now the Halo 9, of course, really great 9-inch display floating above the dash. Gives a lot of versatility in tons of vehicles. This piece comes in at $599, and it has everything. Great piece here. So now we have a step-up value to our F309. If you want your HDMI input, if you want your Maestro module connectivity, and your HD radio, you can step up to the 309 at $899. But this is right there at the entry price point at $599. So pretty cool piece. I want to talk about our sound system products, our speakers, amps, and subs. For several years, we've been working towards creating 3 distinct lineups for Alpine products: our X Series, R Series, and S Series. And this year, we're proud to be able to show you our new R Series lineup and our S Series lineups, all family matching. So the speakers, the amps, and the sub work together, sound great together, and are very easy to buy and sell because the speakers and the subs and the amps all have power matched. So perfect, very easy to select what amp should work with each speaker. So we started with our X Series lineup here. This is our uncompromising sound and unmatched performance. Great sounding set of speakers. This is kind of our high-end stuff. What's cool about our lineup is we've actually taken technology from our X Series amplifiers and trickled them down to our R Series and our S Series. So we're also introducing on our S Series line a new set of speakers. This is the first time we've had a 6x9 component in the R Series lineup, so we're really proud to show that. Some technology on the new speakers. There's CFRP cone. CFRP stands for carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which allows us to get really nice mid-bass, really balanced properties in that sound. We're also using that material in the tweeters, so now we have really great timbre balance. Everything sounds like they belong together. Really great transitions between mid-range and tweeter frequency ranges. Okay, our amplifier, the R Series amps, they're using some of the technology from our X Series. So great imaging, great signal to noise, great damping factor. They can perform up to 1800 damping factor, which gets a lot of control in that subwoofer and the speaker. So really great piece here. Finally, our S Series, kind of the entry price point for us, but really great sound, really great value performance for us. We're actually introducing our new S Series amplifiers, which also share some of those technologies as well. Yes, Alpine booth. Just want to talk a little bit about DPP and our new power pack, the KTA 450. So this new power pack kind of builds on our original power pack, which was our KTP 445. The new power pack is actually a 50 watt by 4 RMS and a 100 watt DPP by 4. So we have this cool technology in here called DPP. What that allows us to do is actually stuff a lot more power into such a small package. This little demo we're showing here just shows an oscilloscope that's testing the output of both our 445 and our 450. And as you can see with the 445 rated at 45 watts, that's that yellow line here, you can turn up the volume, and as soon as it starts to hit its 45 watt, threshold, it'll start to square off. But our KTA 450 has a lot more room. It's getting up to 400 watts in those burst powers. So we're able to dynamically adjust gain depending on the music you're playing. So we're really excited about this product, and that technology is actually 3 products. It's in our KTA 450, and then our 2 tough power packs, our KTA 30 FW and our KTA 30 MW. So that's our power pack. This is a really cool product we want to show you. This is our PWD X5. Kind of one of the first in the industry. This is a powered subwoofer with a DSP and an amplifier built in. So it has 4 channels of output, 25 watts per channel. Everything from the DSP can be controlled from your smartphone, which is really great, and it's all wireless with Bluetooth. Really cool applications for this if you have a vehicle with no head unit, or like a classic car, you don't want to change the head unit. You can go straight to this unit with your smartphone and listen to that music. Really cool things. We won the Innovation Award for 2019 for this product as well. So this is Chris with Alpine Electronics at the 2019 CES booth. See you soon.